This is a one-click, no sign-in, no registration, time clock, just a very basic minimalist time clock or check-in. And so you go to the site, scroll down, and your employees will have their own code. You give them a code, and with this code, it allows you to know who clocked in, what time they clocked in. So you have them type in arrived, and you can also have them include a photo. And just gonna hit check in. All right, successful. You're gonna see the time that your employee clocked in. You can see the picture if you want, or have them take a picture, whatever. And it's immutable. So as you can see, after about 4 or 5 minutes, you see the official timestamp. This is immutable. It can't be reversed or edited or anything like that. This is the time that your employee punched in, and this is the time their device says that they clocked in. So you have two confirmation ways to confirm the time that your employee clocked in. You have what their local time, whatever the time is on their device that they clocked in, whether it's on their phone or on their laptop. That's this time right here, right? And then the time that it was input into the immutable database is this time, right? So there's about a 6 minute difference, 9:17 and 9:11. So just a couple minutes, and if you can go by this one right here, you can go by this right here, but this one, this one right here is the immutable one. This is immutable as well because it's in the blockchain. It's not going to go anywhere. But this one right here can be kind of gamed if they go in on their device and change the time on their phone. That's what will show down here. But they can't change the time here because this is the time that it was confirmed officially. All right. So let me know what your thoughts are.